Welcome to CSN. We give you all the information about Sri Lanka coin stamps banknotes.
Endemic Birds of Sri Lanka Stamps 2021. The Postal Department will issue 6 stamps, worth 25 rupees each, and souvenir sheets on 9th of October 2021, that depict the 6 endemic birds of Sri Lanka. Endemic birds of Sri Lanka. Currently there are 33 identified species of endemic birds in Sri Lanka, out of which most are found in the wet zone. The months of November through to April are considered the best months of the year to spot most of these endemics. The Kithulgala and Sindharaja forest reserves in the lowlands are amongst the top spots to view a majority of these endemics. Horton Plains National Park in the hills is the best place to catch the endemics that enjoy their life at altitude. Sri Lanka wood-shrike. Small gray songbird with heavy bill, dark mask, and white eyebrow. Underparts pale whitish, in-flight note white rump. Inhabits wooded areas and scrub in lowland and lower hills, mostly in the dry zone of Sri Lanka, avoids dense, wet forests. Arboreal species usually encountered in pairs or small groups. Pale eyebrow and plain underparts aid identification from similarly heavy-billed large wood-shrike. Type, stamps. Date of issue, October 9, 2021. Denomination, 25 rupees. Dimension, 30 mm by 41 mm. Sri Lanka spot-winged thrush. Brown thrush with bold dark spots on the underparts, white spots in the wings, and black facial stripes below the eye. Occurs in pairs or singly, on or near the ground, in forest, forest edge, and gardens, mostly in the wet zone, but also locally in the dry zone. No other thrush on Sri Lanka shows distinct rows of white spots on the wing, and bold spotting below. Type, stamps. Date of issue, October 9, 2021. Denomination, 25 rupees. Dimension, 30 mm by 41 mm. Sri Lanka swallow. Swallow with deeply forked tail, and unstreaked chestnut underparts and rump. Found in a variety of open country habitats in both the lowlands and foothills, including farm fields and lightly wooded areas, where usually occurs in pairs or small groups. Type, stamps. Date of issue, October 9, 2021. Denomination, 25 rupees. Dimension, 30 mm by 41 mm. Sri Lanka Greater Flameback. Large, spectacular woodpecker with crimson upperparts, black-scaled pale underparts, and a crested head. Males have a red crest, females a black crest with fine white markings. Endemic to Sri Lanka. Typically in pairs, in the understory of forests and woodlands, where it regularly joins mixed species flocks, can also occasionally be found in disturbed areas or home gardens. Note the pale ivory-colored bill, and lack of a prominent white eyebrow, unlike the similar red-backed flameback. Also note a distinctive elliptical marking on the face below the eye, which distinguishes this flameback from all other flamebacks on Sri Lanka. Type, stamps. Date of issue, October 9, 2021. Denomination, 25 rupees. Dimension, 30 mm by 41 mm. Sri Lanka Grey Hornbill. Small hornbill with gray upperside and whitish underparts. Bill has no casque, and is pale in males, dark in females. In flight displays white outer tail and wingtips. Found in pairs and groups in forest and woodland, preferring drier areas. The only other hornbill in range, the larger Malabar pied hornbill, is black and white, and has a large casque on its bill. Type, stamps. Date of issue, October 9, 2021. Denomination, 25 rupees. Dimension, 30 mm by 41 mm. Sri Lanka Crimson-fronted Barbit. Small, green barbit with a red forehead, light orange markings around the eye, blue sides to the face, and unstreaked belly. Usually located by incessant calls, given from the treetops. Occurs in open wooded areas, gardens, forest and forest edge in the lowlands and foothills, where typically encountered as singles or pairs. Most abundant in the wet zone, but occurs locally in the dry zone. Separated from yellow-fronted barbet by smaller size and red forehead, and from coppersmith barbet in lacking streaks below. Type, stamps. Date of issue, October 9, 2021. Denomination, 25 rupees. Dimension, 30 mm by 41 mm. Type, miniature sheet. Denomination, 25 rupees. Dimension, 95 mm by 80 mm. Type, miniature sheet first day cover. Denomination, 330 rupees. Dimension, 190 mm by 115 mm. Type, first day cover. Denomination, 330 rupees. Dimension, 190 mm by 115 mm.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.